Hi friends, welcome to a Project Happy cooking demo. Today, we will be making chicken mango salad. Here are all the ingredients that we'll be needing. Let's go set up. Here, I have some chicken breast that I rubbed with olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper, mangoes that I chopped into bite-sized cubes, some greens, lemons, and ginger that I finely chopped, some salt, pepper, honey, and last but not least, olive oil. Now that we have all our ingredients ready to go, we can dive right into it. So here I am adding my chicken to a pan on medium-high heat that I have drizzled with about a tablespoon of olive oil. So now I'm just going to let that sit and cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on either side or until golden brown and no longer pink in the middle. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm just gonna step to the side to mix my salad dressing all together. So in here I have my lemon juice, honey, ginger, oil, and some salt and pepper. So now my chicken is cooked all the way. We can take it out of the pan now and put it on a cutting board to cool. We are now ready to assemble. So in a bowl, I have added the amount of greens that I want to eat, and now I'll add some juicy sweet mangoes with some of the chicken that I diced after I let sit and cool for a little bit. And now, last but not least, I'm going to add the salad dressing. Mix, mix, mix. And ta-da! We have our chicken mango salad ready to be eaten. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.